Wonder how to juggle the foods you eat to wind up with a balanced diet? Stay tuned.
Here is MyPlate with 5 food groups. Count them, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each food group gives your body all the nutrients to thrive.
Olé!
In fact, you can find MyPlate right here at your school. Your cafeteria will serve it up for lunch every day.
Hey, that's cool.
I know, right? So let's start with the dairy group. For building strong teeth and long-lasting bones, drink milk and eat cheese and have a little bit of yogurt.
I'm kinda busy.
Hello, Janie, can we talk about milk, please? Let's talk about the calcium in yogurt smoothies. Calcium makes your bones and teeth healthy.
They are so delicious. Can you give me some, please?
And moving on to the protein group. Yeah! For a strong, healthy body machine, try some grilled chicken, or some fish, or some meat that is lean. And for protein-rich plant foods, try
Nuts!
tofu, beans.
Sunflower seeds!
Yeah! That double whammy Super Mac has 11 teaspoons of fat.
Ew!
Oh! So rethink your order and take it back. Nice! Now, for long-lasting energy, switch to grains that are whole, like whole wheat bread or whole grain pasta.
Or how about brown rice in a bowl?
Exactly. Look for whole grains wherever you go. Did you know that most countries grow their own special grains? Like from Peru, you get quinoa. And in China, brown rice reigns. So instead of eating that same old plain old white bread, embark on a worldwide adventure and try whole grains instead.
Whoa!
Now, for the fruit group, packed with vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates.
I love fruit, Mother Nature's sweet treats. Fruit party!
What?
Yeah, here you go, Coach.
Whoa.
How about we try some apples and oranges and pears and papayas? Up they go, higher and higher!
Yes! And now, my all-time favorite, the vegetables. Maestro?
Veggies for you and veggies for me. Think of how happy and healthy we'll be. There's so many for us to choose. Red, orange, yellow, greens, and blue.
Coach! Embarrassing. Give me a beat! It might be crazy what I'm about to say.
What?
Ooh, but fresh veggies can make your day.
Ah, yeah!
They make you beautiful, your hair and nails. And if you eat them, you'll never fail.
That is
All right, everybody put your hands together, cause we're happy coming along. If you know that veggies are good for you, because we're happy coming along. If you know that they can taste great too, because we're happy coming along. If you know that veggies are good for you, because we're happy coming along. If you know that they can taste great too, because we're
healthy! Yes! Thank you, guys. Awesome job, Janie. So remember, fill half your plate with fruits and veggies.
Half your plate with fruits and veggies?
Yeah, we get to eat at least 5 fruits and veggies a day. So give me 5 vegetables.
Okay, lettuce in your salad.
Yep.
Carrots on the side.
Nice.
Broccoli in your pasta. Mushroom pizza piled high. Ooh, peppers and fajitas. Bok choy in lo mein. Tomatoes and burritos.
Veggies straight up plain. Veggies with your sandwich.
Veggies with your steak.
Veggies with your fish sticks.
Fruits and
Veggies eat 5 a day.